This journey begins on expansive cattle ranches, where precision farming supports global fast food demand worldwide efficiently.
Advanced feeding operations balance nutrition, growth rates, and sustainability for uniform beef quality across massive ranches.
Water systems, shade structures, and terrain management keep cattle comfortable in large operations year-round, efficiently monitored.
Wormlet. This controlled environment ensures traceability, efficiency, and quality before beef enters industrial supply.
Cattle loading follows McDonald's strict welfare standards, using hydraulic systems designed to minimize animal stress.
Units hold position and maintain airflow levels. We are on schedule for the next waypoint.
Processing begins only at USDA-approved facilities, meeting McDonald's strict food safety and ethical sourcing requirements.
System operational. Humane cycle verified.
Automation reduces contamination risk as McDonald's suppliers begin controlled meat handling immediately after processing starts.
Ensure the temperature logs are updated hourly at this station.
Yes, Inspector. They are within tolerance.
We have a critical deviation on line 3. Initiating quarantine procedure immediately.
With inspections complete, McDonald's beef moves forward into cutting and grinding stages next.
Carcass splitting uses automated precision to prepare McDonald's beef for consistent large-scale processing efficiently.
Advanced scanners verify fat content, ensuring McDonald's hamburger patties meet exact formulation requirements.
Massive stainless steel grinders dominate the room, feeding beef through rotating augers. Meat
Metal detection systems protect McDonald's customers by eliminating contamination before patty formation begins.
Everything is green on the main board. Documentation is fully compliant.
Excellent. Let's check the packaging line next.
With grinding complete, McDonald's beef advances toward precise patty forming and shaping systems next.
This is where McDonald's hamburgers take shape, formed precisely for uniform cooking worldwide.
robotic handling minimizes human contact, protecting hygiene and efficiency in McDonald's patty production. Ejected patties drop automatically into sealed recovery channels for reprocessing. Nothing stops the main line. Efficiency is absolute. Real-time monitoring ensures McDonald's patty machines perform accurately throughout extended production cycles.
High-speed cameras capture patty edges and surfaces. Software analyzes shape perfection instantly. Any deviation triggers micro-adjustments.
Shaping complete. McDonald's patties now advance toward rapid freezing and preservation stages next.
McDonald's patties enter blast freezers immediately to preserve freshness and structure at industrial speed.
Please. High-velocity air surrounds each patty evenly from all sides. Sensors embedded along the line
Post-freeze inspection ensures McDonald's patties meet exact internal temperature and stability standards.
Frozen patty stability tests confirm McDonald's burgers withstand transport and long-term storage. With freezing complete, McDonald's patties move forward to packaging and long-term cold storage. Automated packaging lines protect McDonald's frozen patties while maintaining speed, hygiene, and product integrity.
Date coding and batch labeling ensure McDonald's patties remain fully traceable across global supply chains.
Seal integrity testing ensures McDonald's patties remain protected throughout long-distance frozen distribution. With packaging finished, McDonald's patties now enter frozen storage and distribution networks worldwide. Massive frozen warehouses preserve McDonald's beef patties at stable temperatures for long-term global distribution.
Digital tracking ensures McDonald's knows exactly where every patty batch is stored worldwide.
Every McDonald's shipment is routed digitally for efficiency, timing, and temperature accountability. From frozen warehouses, McDonald's patties now travel toward restaurants for final preparation and cooking. McDonald's distribution centers receive frozen patties under strict temperature controls to protect quality. Restaurant deliveries are handled quickly to maintain McDonald's strict frozen storage requirements.
Ensure these go straight onto the grill. We must maintain the cold chain.
Yes, manager, right away.
Consistent patty design allows McDonald's burgers to cook evenly on every grill worldwide. The journey from ranch to restaurant is complete.
This is how McDonald's hamburgers travel from farm to factory, then to you.